Italia and Italian subscribers, benvenuti al mio canale di YouTube. I first tried this recipe a couple years ago. My sister showed it to me. I couldn't believe it, how easy it is and how delicious it tastes. Yes people, you guessed it, it's tiramisu. Let's go over the ingredients. For this recipe we will need 6 egg yolks, ladyfingers, a cup of brown sugar, a cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of instant espresso coffee, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, and sweetened cocoa powder for decoration, and a shot of amaretto liquor or Kahlua. First thing I am going to do is to get my espresso mixture ready. So add boiling water to your espresso coffee. Mix well and set aside to cool off completely. Fill a kettle halfway with water and place it on the stove. Let the water come to almost a boil and then I'm going to place my bowl on top. Now I'm going to separate egg yolks from the whites. Add the egg yolks and brown sugar and start whisking constantly for about 10 minutes until you get a smooth consistency. Not all the sugar will be dissolved and that's perfectly fine. Take it off and let it cool completely. In a mixing bowl, combine heavy cream and powdered sugar along with a splash of vanilla. You have to get the whipping cream really fluffy. You don't want to overmix it because otherwise you will end up with butter.
Guys, this is the key ingredient when you make this recipe because it does not taste good without it.
Add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese to your egg yolk mixture and start folding. Go ahead and add your whipping cream and once again fold the mixture. I have here a 9 by 13 inch pan and this is where I'm going to make my tiramisu.
I have here a shot of amaretto liquor, but if you don't want to use any alcohol, you can do so, but it just adds that little something to the tiramisu.
Okay, my tiramisu is done. I am going to refrigerate it for 4 hours. You guys, this is so delicious. It's so fluffy. The consistency is just perfect. Ciao Italia, and thank you for this delicious dessert. Thank you guys for all the support you have given me lately. If you're new here, please subscribe right here, give me a thumbs up, and this corner right here, make sure to see my previous videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!